Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the pickup roller, paper feed roller and the separation pad on HP Laserjet Mfp M438 model. All you need is a small flat screwdriver and new pickup roller and the new separation pad. First, we have to release this metal axis by taking out this clamp here. Carefully. This is the clamp. Now slide the metal axis, and this way we can easily replace the two parts. First, let's replace the separation pad. Take out the old pad, put the springs on the new, and that's it. Now, to replace the pickup roller, release it from this clutch here and slide it out. Take the new roller and slide it back. And be careful, the new roller must fit in this part here. Rotate it until it fits. Then push back. And now the only thing we have to do is to place back the metal axis. Place it back and put the clamp back at its place. And that's it. We have a new separation pad and a new paper feed roller. That's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.